Alright, folks. Ever wanted to turn yourself into a hobbit and chill in Hobbitshire, but make it Arcane-style? Well, with this tool, you can. Let's dive into this AI magic where you upload an image and create an entirely new one. Google Whisk is a new experimental tool that lets you get creative with images in a totally new way. Here's how to get started. First, head over to labs.google. Once you're there, look for the Whisk card and click on Try Now. You'll need to sign in with your Google account, and then you'll be taken to the Whisk playground where all the magic happens. Once you're in, you can upload your own images or use text prompts to generate visuals. It's super easy and very fun. Here's the deal. With Google Whisk, you can upload an image for the subject, one for the scene, and one for the style. But get this, it also lets you skip the uploads and generate any of those images using just text prompts. So if you don't have the perfect images on hand, no worries. You can simply type in a prompt and Whisk will generate the subject, scene, or style image for you. Okay, let's get to the fun part, the demo. For the subject, I will select an image of myself. And for the scene, I'll select an image of Hobbitshire. I got this from the internet. And for the style, I will select poster of Arcane TV show. Now for the prompt, let me do something like maybe you could modify the prompt. Awesome. Look at this. It's amazing. I think you can also add another subject to this. Let me add the best dog in the world. The dog, the man. Let's do it. This is awesome. Man. Alright, here we go. If you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. See you next time.